During this video, you're going to learn a little bit what we actually do when there's wildlife in the pond and we've got to drain and clean it. So what we do is we use a hoover and we basically suck the water out, so there's no chance that any of the aquatic wildlife can get sucked up in any of the mechanization. We're keeping all of the water because we're going to pump it back in. We're doing a full drain and clean because the clients have got real bad issues with duckweed, blanket weed. Also, there's some invasive reeds in here. The render's falling off. It's a right terrible state. So grab yourself a drink and enjoy the Any Pond showcase. Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And what I want to do is I want to shoot this video for you today because we're upgrading this particular pond. Underneath the water, it's starting to look untidy. We've got some lights that are using up a lot of energy. We've got a fountain that is a nightmare to control with a high maintenance head on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade this particular pond. We're going to remove and replace a lot of these plants. We're going to keep a third of the iris, a third of the marsh marigold. We're going to keep the double marsh marigold. But what we're going to do also is we're going to add more plants. We're going to replace the water lilies. We're going to get rid of the forget-me-not because that just goes crazy and rampant. We're going to start introducing new fish. So what we need to do is we need to keep all of this mature pond water. We're going to fiberglass all of the render and the engineering bricks, because basically what's happened over the years is the render's starting to fall off the engineering bricks. It's not losing too much water, but it's just starting to look a little bit untidy. So what we're going to do is we're going to fiberglass this pool, and then we're going to put everything back in there. We're going to increase the plants. We're going to upgrade the lights. We're going to upgrade the fountain, and we're going to also upgrade to a much better pressurized filtration system, and we're going to turn it into a fish pool. So stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. And there we go, we've finished this upgrade on this particular fish pool that's 25 years old, and now we've brought a new lease of life to it. So what we're going to do is the last couple of things is we're going to put in some beneficial bacteria and also a product like we always do for treating the blanket weed. So my name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you, dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.